other card. No, we're not doing that, bro. Stop moving your truck, bro. You're gonna make it fall down. What are we doing today, boys? What are we doing?
We're doing the key game.
The key game. Okay, so have you played the key game before? The KEYMASTER?
Have
you played the KEYMASTER before? I made a video about this before. The KEYMASTERs are supposedly all rigged to like pay out at a certain time. Apparently, when I was at Original Grail like a couple weeks ago, and I was playing and it was on my Instagram, I was getting a whole bunch of DMs from people saying, dude, that machine is about to pay out soon on that shoe. We're gonna follow up with that and see if it actually is gonna pay out. I don't know, you guys should know, notoriously these things, you're not supposed to win, you know? It's like very rare that you're gonna win. Do you think we're gonna win?
Guarantee.
It's a guarantee. This is the confidence that I need, boys.
Is it strategic?
We didn't find what we were looking for.
Paid out.
Okay, time to go home. What do you want, Cody?
Is there anything in particular that's good?
Yeah, that one on the top left.
The top left? The
Yeah, the blue one.
Jordans?
That blue one. Oh, you know your shoes.
Oh yeah, I just read them right there.
It does say it on the shoe. Yeah, there's an off-white Presto, another off-white Presto, off-white Jordan. And then the rest of them are kind of, yeah, these things are like $5 a play. Okay, so that's our 1 target, that's our 2 target, and that's our 3 target. We're only going off of pure value.
Yeah.
Oh.
You saw the $1,000 right there and the $600.
If it was just hanging in cash.
Then why wouldn't you go for the $1,000 one? It's greater than 600.
It's good math. Okay, so here's the plan, boys. Nobody's even listening to me. Why is no one listening to me?
First of all,
I'm about to give them free money and they
You know
don't want
what
to
you
take
can
it.
do with $5?
Look at that. This is not $5, man. This is a lot more than $5, bro. $100 each. $100 each. And we're gonna see which one of us can actually win this thing, or if any of us can win this thing. I don't know if we can win this thing.
Can I just take my $100 and go home?
So you really want to win? Do you want the 5s or you want the...
I'll take, I don't know what to do.
This one's
This set.
Oh. Why don't we just play the game, boys? Let's just play the game.
Okay,
No.
here we go.
You're going blue first.
First of all, how do you play the game?
Oh, that is a great question.
How do you play the game?
So it starts off, you move left or right only, okay? So you hold the button down and it goes up. And then when you release the button, that's where it stops and it pushes in.
So
and then,
okay.
and so you're trying to fit that key thing through that hole, and then that's supposedly how you win. So I've never seen it happen though, because I've never won. So that's how it's supposed to be. I'm not sure. That may be a myth, dude. I have no idea. Okay, Cody, I believe in you. Just get it on the first try so we can go home already.
Right here.
Yeah, so we can go home. We gotta go watch the games. The determination. What if he actually did get it on the first try?
We go home.
Oh.
Okay, stop.
Okay, so you
Stop
understand.
immediately.
So you understand.
Stop immediately.
Okay, so you understand now. Are you gonna go again?
Yes, I'm gonna go one more time.
Okay.
Still early.
Ooh.
Still early.
Ooh. Holy Austin! Not even close. Give it a chance, man. Put some air under it.
Oh.
That was a lot closer.
That was not bad.
Oh, you weren't even filming.
I wasn't?
No, Cody wasn't filming.
I wasn't even filming.
Why didn't you want to show my attempts, man?
Because this is my show.
Oh, this is your show now? You're untied now? Take it, man. I'm okay with that. You know, I'm fine with that.
Oh, I'm way too early.
So what's just happening is you should probably wait like a half second. What's on feet, Austin?
Limited anniversary edition.
Ooh, look at you, Morton.
Yes, I got that Walmart swag.
I'm gonna zoom in on your feet. You want me to zoom in on your feet? I don't know what I'm wearing today.
Oh, I'm early again. It's a half second. I'm making the same mistakes twice.
Oh, that was just early again. Oh, well, that was the first time it actually was the top part that messed up. Watch me just miss this. What are you watching?
We should have watched this at the beginning in the car before we even walked in here. That's why we're not winning. The button's blue in this one.
Payout rate, meaning it will only let you win once out of a certain number of tries.
What?
For example, say
How many retries we did so far?
not due to give out that prize, it will keep moving up for a split second or two. Tip number 2, don't spend more than $15 or $20 at a time. It's not due and you're wasting your money. It's not due and you're wasting your money. It's not due and you're wasting your money.
Alright, boys, go ahead. So I've seen all the secrets. I've learned as much as I can learn, and now it's just time to win. I have these Kobe fadeaway jumper right here, man. No, that was too early again. Oh, maybe we can just count the seconds too. Look, just count the seconds.
Or in your mental but yeah, she
Oh, wait, that's not a good sign. Watch this. I got this.
Oh.
Oh, what is this guy doing?
He's doing the chin
What is he doing?
Not part of the game plan, guys. We never talked about
We never talked about this.
Oh.
How you feel?
Not good. 3, 4, 5, 9, 10.
Nope.
10 and a half.
10 and a half.
10 and a half.
Okay, Cody's.
This is Matt.
He's onto it, he says.
10 and a half. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. It didn't work. It didn't work.
He looks away. Wow.
It didn't work. Wouldn't that have been amazing though? Yep. We're testing different theories, guys. Okay, here we go. 9, 10.
Was the cadence good that one?
No, it wasn't good. That did not go as planned.
What happened there?
So are we starting to have regret?
Well, I mean, when my friends are not looking at what
commit.
they're doing.
We can't commit. We gotta commit.
Yeah, that'd be nice, man. It's not like it's $5 a play. You don't even press the button now.
How many booster packs we could have?
Well, this one's not even straight. Why is
Was
that
it
like
close?
that?
Was that close?
No, see, that one was off again now.
10.
I don't think it's a science, Morton. I think you should just go off a feel. Yeah, don't look away either.
Just gotta watch it. Huh?
Literally throwing a $5 into the street and saying, okay.
I got a 47 second shot clock. Take my time. Gotta mentally prepare myself.
You gonna do your warm up?
Yep. I go 1, 2, spin it one time, blow a kiss to the rim, Jason Kidd style. One around the back, Gilbert Arenas, and then stall at the top, Shaq.
And that. Still have 15
And then
seconds.
Oh.
How's your feel? What does your gut say?
I should have brought it around the waist 2 times. That one.
You
You ever see those videos where the kid goes inside over there?
Yeah.
You think we could do it in this one?
You wanna try?
We just need a pet squirrel.
We're away.
Yep.
Let me take all the weights. We're gonna
Yeah.
Rock Lee this.
What are you doing?
We're
You're weighing
Rock Leeing
yourself
this.
down right now.
Okay. Oh, it's already counting. Alright boys, just gonna walk out of here with this shoe real quick. And then we'll be good.
See that curve on the top? Yeah.
And then
Align
you're
with
matching
that
it up
triangle
with
on
that
the top.
triangle.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
That's the
Oh,
space.
you guys. Okay. You okay? It's okay if you don't win.
2, 5,
Cody, don't
6,
do that. Look at
7, 8.
and
And it's done. And it's done. I want to go home now.
Nope. Not even close.
Yeah, we come back for round 2 tomorrow.
Well, for you guys, it must be a lot of fun. Awesome. You gotta put some air under it, bro.
No, we have to go for white.
You think so?
I think so.
Even after what you saw from the vid.
So what I saw from the vid, we should have left the replacement.
That's a good one.
What I saw from the vid, we should have left the replays in.
Oh my god. Ready? Wait. Are you ready, man? You ready? Why are you so angry? Why?
1 more. 2 more.
That was 1 more.
Boom, boom, boom.
Well, I don't know.
Very
based
close. Yeah, the last play. This is what dreams are made of.
From so what are we Hail Marrying then?
Aaron Rodgers.
Aaron Rodgers in the fourth quarter.
Quarter.
2 grand.
So we just going for it all then.
Warm it up. Warm it up.
Get ready
Still
for that
plenty
deep
time.
bomb.
You still get 13 seconds.
Savante streaking out the back.
Boom.
How does it feel? How's the feels? Alright, Cody.
Okay.
What did we learn today?
What we learned today, counting to 11 doesn't always work. Based on the video, I'm not saying that it wasn't ready to pay out, but we didn't win. And I'm allowed to say how much money we put down in there. We kind of dropped $200, and we have a good time to show for it, guys.
And Cody, any positive last
Any
takeaways?
positive? You know, I I'm just glad to be here with my friends and having a good time. It's not about winning or losing. It's you know, these are the memories.
It's about winning. It's about winning. What if these guys win right now?
Okay. What if these guys win? Oh.
I feel better now.
What did we learn today?
It's always nice spending other people's money.
I don't know what to say.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'm pissed that we lost. Unfair.
Okay, thank you. What did we learn today? Untied?
I learned nothing. I learned that I can't rely on my friend Cody because he turns around mid-play. Doesn't even look.
For the record, that was good content.
No.
Yeah, that's going in the video.
Nope.
That's going in the video.
I also learned that I should never bring my friend Austin here either because he doesn't press the button down hard. So he loses the play after like the first 2 seconds. And I learned I should only trust myself because if I had one more play, I would have won everything.
I've got a question for you. Would this have been more fun with us here or without us here?
It was fun with you guys.
Yeah, so we're coming again next time.
I hate you. I hate you more.
Hey. Medium.
Oh, yeah. Boys.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have brought him here. Oh my gosh. What does it say? What other shop in the world makes you feel better about yourself?
See this right here?
What does this mean,
Participation shirts, baby.
We love
what we
it.
do.
Thank you, Original Grill.
Thank you, Original
Nice
Grill.
and clean.
We'll be back for Revenge.
Back and better than ever.
Part 2.
5,000 likes.
5,000 likes.
And we'll be back.
Or if you want to see me save money, just hit the dislike button, because
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Look at how happy he is now. This is all it took. You're hiding? Why, you shame because you took the biggest L. Don't look at me, please. All right, so boys, what is your advice? Final thoughts to the kids?
If you want to play KEYMASTER machines, watch the video, listen to the video,
And obey the video.
And obey the video.
It is true, like all of these machines are actually like designed so that the company makes a profit, obviously. You can't win every single time. You left your water in there? No, go get it. Yeah, Cody's gonna go back and he's gonna play one time. No, he's gonna go put in $5 of his own money. Come back with your shoe.
Yeah, I'm ready. Right here. Yeah, give me this. I'll be right back.
If he comes back with a win, $5 of his own money. Yeah, dude. He also look at this guy. He left the door open to the car too. And the AC's on, man.
No respect.
The disrespect of these kids, man. That's the main thing that I learned today. Is that I think I need new friends. So if anybody out there watching wants to be my friend, let me know in the comments below because I don't want this guy. Or if you guys want to adopt this kid, you guys can adopt him. Look at him. You guys want this? Because I don't want that anymore, man. You guys can take it. That's so mean.
Forgot my water right over here. Do you have some shoes that I can just run out and be like, guys, I got it. I did it. And then I'll return it in a couple minutes. And I'll be right back. I'll even leave my phone as collateral. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay.
Bring it back now. You're a liar. You're a liar. You're gonna go bring it back.
Look at this.
No, you're gonna go back in the store and give it back to them now. No, Cody.
For one time.
Cody, stop.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it back now. Okay.
No, I wonder what it shows like on here, like his conversation with them. Like he must have been like, oh, can I borrow this shoe really fast to show my friend? And you know what's funny? Look at this. He still left the door open. What? So yeah, again, I'm taking applications for new friends. So if anybody out there wants to be my friend, let me know in the comments below. Like this video and obviously subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already. If you guys want to see more L's from Untied and his, whatever these things are, his gremlin, his troll friends.
Hey, that's not nice.
I love everyone except these guys. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you.
So,
that was fun. Now we can go home.
Shoots.